So, today I'd like to do a quick review of this wall mount automatic soap dispenser. So here's the box. I already opened it, and I just want to show you the contents of the box. Here's the soap dispenser itself. The great thing about it is that you don't have to drill the wall to attach it. It comes with a special plate and a sticker that you can stick on the wall and just use it. And the sensor is underneath, so whenever you move your arm close, the soap will foam down onto your arm. So from here you just put in the liquid soap. And here are the contents of the box. I'm gonna show you quickly what it contains. So basically it's the manual, the back plate that I mentioned earlier, the detail manual on how to attach it to the wall, how to use it, and some tape to attach it to the wall so that it doesn't fall off. That's what I like about it. You don't have to drill anything, and it's pretty straightforward. I really like the design. It's really cool looking, futuristic, minimalist, and it can be installed, I think, in any setting. In spite of the color of the tiles, this should go and fit any design. I highly recommend this.